Hello everybody, hope you're all happy, healthy and wealthy. In this video, I'm configuring the BGP Border Gateway Routing Protocol. Before we begin, just we need to consider a few points. If you talk about BGP, we can say it is simply a routing protocol, an exterior routing protocol. In previous videos, I have talked about interior routing protocols like RED, DIGRP, like OSPF, which is responsible to route different kinds of LANs, networks. But the exterior routing protocol like BGP is used to exchange routing among autonomous systems on the internet, on the WAN. So if we talk about the autonomous system, we can say the internet is being ran by a collection of thousands of autonomous systems. Let's say like Apple, Comcast, MIT, Google, and each autonomous system is responsible for the routing within itself. And we are using a routing protocol like BGP to connect these different autonomous systems. And the specific autonomous systems don't share all the information with each other, but they do share things like public IP, let's say next hop, path, or certain protocols. These are some general points you need to consider. Now if you go to the diagram, let's say this is let's say Australia, and here it is North America, and we are connecting different kinds of autonomous systems. Here it is one autonomous system, and we can have thousands of LAN here. And if you go to here Australia, you can see here I have just configured 2 LANs. Okay, so let's do it. And now if we, let's say this is the IP of the server 192.168.5.7/24. For now there's no connection. Let me go to North America, and from a PC with the IP address of 192.168.0.2, if I ping that server, I will not be able to receive reply. Ping 192.168.5.7, which was our server. You can see the destination host is unreachable. And now I'm going to this router, and I will configure the routing protocol BGP to connect different autonomous systems. Let's say this is the autonomous system. This one will be the autonomous number, let's say 100. And this one should be 200. And this is the IP address which I have configured in the border router 200.200.200.1 this site /30, and 200.200.200.2 this site /30. So I just go to this border router. Okay, so first of all, if I type show IP interface read, you can see this is the IP address, this serial 0/2/0, which is this interface. I have already assigned this IP address 200.200.200.1. But if I type show IP protocol, it still didn't configure any routing protocol. I go to global configuration mode, and I'm typing router BGP, and we're giving an autonomous number. Let's say this was the 100, and that's all. And then we can give a router ID for this BGP router ID, BGP router ID, let's say 2.2.2.2, and the neighbor. Now we are introducing the neighbor, and the IP address is 200.200.200. Neighbor 200.200.200.2, and this is a remote autonomous system. The remote autonomous system number was This is the 100 and the remote one is 200, and it's all. And now we should introduce the network. This network is connected to this one, so 192.168.0.0, and you can specify the mask 255.255.255.0, and it's all. If I type show IP protocol, show IP BGP summary, you can see the information related to the routing protocol. So it's all here. I go to another router in the autonomous system 200, which is in Australia. I go to the border router and I do same configuration which I did in North America. Okay, enable password is Cisco. I go to global configuration mode and I'm typing router BGP and autonomous number, let's say 200. That's all, and I can give a router ID. So it means BGP router ID. Let's say 3 and the neighbor 200.200.200.1. This is a remote autonomous system is 100, and that's all. And I'm introducing the networks. You can see the message which is showing the neighbor has been identified. A network, we have two networks here. One is this one and one is this one. So one network is 192.168.5.0. Mask is 255.255.255.0. That's all. Another network is 192.168.4.0 and the mask 255.255.255.0, and that's all. And so if I type show IP protocol, I can see the BGP with the autonomous number 200 is configured. So now I should be able to ping this server with this IP address 5.2. So I go to North America autonomous system. I go to one of these pieces, let's say this one, and now if I ping 192.168, which is a server in Australia in a different autonomous system, so I should be able to ping. Yes, now I can ping this server successfully. So this is all, and thank you very much. Make sure you're subscribing to our channel. For more, you can visit our website, like us on Facebook, and thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.